Welcome to Hack Seasons.
Hack Seasons is where Web3 comes to life. Founders, builders, and curious minds come together to launch bold ideas and shape what's next.
Welcome to Hack Seasons.
From Dubai to Singapore, these events land in the heart of the crypto world, with over 2,000 people showing up in Cannes alone. Every event runs on 2 tracks, main stage for strategy and big picture talks, and tech track for deep dives and hands-on workshops. Nothing's off the table.
Welcome to Hack Seasons.
From DeFi, Layer 2 and ZK rollups to DePIN, RWA, AI and Web3, multi-chain interoperability and decentralized infra. If you want to be where things are really happening, this is where you start. Join Hack Seasons and be there when the new begins.